everybody's wondering how we got those open so quick. This is the step. Open the bag, get to the center of it in between the 2 layers. It's open. With each rotation, I'm going to be folding it. So watch this. Hand, tuck it. Hand, roll it, tuck it. 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 Roll it with your hands. You see my wrist, you can see them. Boom. This just makes it a lot easier instead of doing 1 bag at a time. Time is money. Start to learn how to move quick. Now that I got the big rocks out the way, you'll be able to scoop up and throw these down. Shovel. Never want to go too heavy on the bags. Unless you want to, you know, strain yourself while moving them. It's a lot easier to purchase new bags than it is to carry heavy bags. So I'm just going to try to get the concrete underneath. There's gravel right underneath this. A layer of gravel in between the concrete and the dirt. We're going to salvage that gravel so we can reuse it. No point in throwing it away. We can save it. Check this out. So when hauling away your bags, you want to make sure it's not too heavy for you. How to roll it, get all the air. So I push it down, got most of the air out. Use my arm to push the remainder. Tie it in a little knot. It's ready to go. Never like to pick up like this, hurt your back. And up, down. Now that we've pretty much got all the concrete out of there, we're going to go ahead and switch on over to our spade shovel and get to digging. Put this to the side. Back with our spade shovel. See, this thing's been through a lot, but hey, it still does the job. You get all this out the way, clear the job site. throw our dirt. I got an extra large piece to throw it over if I can. Make sure much of it doesn't go out offside of the plastic too much. Let's get to digging. Got a few feet of a hole to dig. It's supposed to be a few feet, so we'll see. You see that gravel I'm telling you guys? We're going to salvage. And when we backfill this hole, we're going to put this gravel in between the new layer of concrete and the dirt. Let's set this to the side. When you're digging, another tip to keep in mind is don't dig blindly if you can. Get USA out there, get the city out there to mark all the underground lines. Even when that happens, sometimes you still run into irrigation lines. Sometimes they miss lines, abandoned lines. You never want to dig blindly, and you always want to dig carefully. You don't want to get into just shoving your shovel in. You never know what you break. Sometimes you can break a water main, water lines. You got a bigger problem on your hands than you started with. Let's check this out. And the reason I say that is because if you notice, I saw cut through this concrete, jackhammer through it, unable to see what was in there. But as soon as I have it open, now I can see that we have PVC irrigation lines running straight across. Let me give you a look at it right now. Show you guys what I'm talking about. Right in dead center of our hole, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 irrigation lines that are supplying their garden, their grass, their front yard. Causes a problem for us if I can't work around it. What I usually do is we'll just cut them out. Of course, turn off the water to irrigation first. Cut them out. Fix what we have to fix, and then we just replace everything and put them back. But that's why you dig carefully. Let me go ahead and continue on. I'll be right back with you guys.